place Galileo Muse, where there used to be a gallows and jail. I think this is the place here that had the gallows, the hanging thing at one time, and also a jail for prisoners. 12 Water Street, but called Gallows Muse or something like that. Maybe we'll find a sign. Ah, here we go. Heritage Building. Very cool. Oh, there it is. There's the famous sign right there. So this is the place. We finally found it, and they're redoing it, turning it into a pretty cool area. Well done. It's not in the book. Looks like some kind of submarine. I guess sometimes we come across treasures that might go into the next 111 places you do not want to miss in Vancouver. Down under. 30-day underwater voyage along the American East Coast. Vancouver Maritime Museum. which is that there, but it's closed.
When I look in your eyes, I see the world you hold deep inside of you. That's where I want you to take me to. We'll fly into the dream of a starry night. No sense of time or gravity. No hatred, no hate. But there are thousands of stars. When you touch me, I feel it.
It's a beautiful spot here near the museums, Kitsilano, all the beaches going out there to UBC, all the way out that way. We've done a lot of filming over the past couple years, dog parks and other things that we've looked for. Look at all the ocean liners out there waiting their turn to catch up on the supply chain problems. Whoa, that's a speedy dog. There he goes, both of them. Wow. He's too fast. We're looking for a big crab. I think it might be in that building up there. Another museum. It's amazing, isn't it? How many great places there are in Vancouver. Makes you want to visit while you sit in your house in Rwanda or somewhere else, Nairobi maybe, or Singapore, or could be anywhere. Come when you can. You're gonna love it here in Vancouver. Lots to see, lots to do. Big thanks to Dave and Graham for the 111 places in Vancouver that you do not want to miss.
Nothing seems to go well. Everyone has a day like that. Don't need to worry. It's okay to slow down and take a little break. Tomorrow will be a new day, so just rest up today. You'll be stronger, 'cause you're storing up your energy today. Lay yourself down on the grassy hill and look at the blue sky. The sky is
the big crab. And now we've both seen what we thought we would never see. All because of the 111 places in Vancouver you do not want to miss. $1,100 chestnut. We're off. Thank you for joining me on the YouTube and Rumble adventure. And I want to wish you and all of those with you a very Merry Christmas. Hold this, I'm going to show you in the book. I'm retracing.
Get me on there.
I'm
Oh,
retracing.
we're filming! Oh, I didn't even realize. Yeah.
The GoPro. Those things are so cool.
Talk about your restaurant. What is the history?